Hey friends and designers, welcome to Unboxing Flatlay, where we share our favorite new materials and we bring back the excitement and the visceral experience of exploring new product. I'm Brandon Johnson.
And I'm Ariel Johnson. I am the founder and owner of arielfoxdesign. We're an interior design firm here in Los Angeles. We have 16 designers that have been working remotely, and we've been having a challenge in sharing information with each other and sharing information to our clients. So we thought, let's make some videos for each other internally.
Exactly. Why not share, though, these videos with the A&D community? Because we can't go to trade shows, we can't do lunch and learn meetings anymore, and we can barely get product delivered to us in a timely manner.
That's right. So we thought, let's put some videos together, show you what we've got. We're excited about materials. Every week we're going to be doing a different concept. This week, the concept is called At Home in the Garden. Now we're being forced to stay inside more, so I think we all have this urge to bring the outside in. And so the materials today are interior rated materials, but they kind of give this vibe of being outside in the outdoors.
I love it!
Yeah.
Let's jump in.
Okay.
So let's begin. What do we have here?
Let's jump into flooring. This is a ceramic wood look tile from Hero. It's called Timber European Oak, and it has a great texture to it. You feel that?
Yeah, very realistic feeling.
Yeah. So we've been using porcelain wood look tile in commercial use for many years, but I'm seeing now a desire to put it on the residential side because of the cleanability. You can wipe it down. It's great for antibacterial use. It's just feeling a little bit safer these days.
Speaking of tile, we've got large scale tile here from Porcelanosa.
Yeah, Porcelanosa is great for the large scale tile. This would be beautiful on a wall. Do you see the texture in that? It's like this basket weave, this matte, soft basket weave. It could be great with like a light wash on it, a light well, water feature, you name it. This is such a great tile.
And the color matches my pants.
And it matches your pants.
How about wall covering?
So you guys know all about tambour, right? It's got this great radius to it. Any species, you can say to anything you want. And it really is like it's like the new wall paneling, right?
Again, another 3D element. All of these wall coverings or all these different types of tiles and stones and stuff have this sort of 3D element, which I love. Again, hitting on bringing the outside inside. Yeah.
So going in the green family, right? We've got fire clay. I'm sure you guys know a lot about fire clay. They are US produced. This is called Hunter Green. It's made out of recycled materials, which is also
got
wonderful.
A good green thumb.
Yeah, and it's matte. We love these little guys.
Lots of mats.
Yeah.
How about this guy? Looks like an avocado.
It's avocado, darling. This is a real stone.
I can't put this on a sandwich.
No. I'm gonna try to bite it now. You guys know you need to see the full slab, right? But the veining in depth on this is just gorgeous. And this is in honed finish. So make sure you seal that baby a bunch of times. But it is dark, so I feel like it will kind of hide a bit of staining as you use it. All right, so we've got the real stone and we've got the fake stone from Tile Shop. This is called Marcana Lapato, and it has a glossy finish. And this is great for those real, those high-touch areas that you're worried about staining. This will be like pretty much bulletproof. So you can put this on countertops, you can put it on the walls. It's just like this really luxe, beautiful, realistic look. Yeah, that's one of my pet peeves, you know that. Yeah.
Now, talking about realistic or realism, we've got some realistic action happening here.
This is the exciting one. I'm really thrilled to share with you.
Put a garden inside your home.
Put a garden inside your home.
A whole other version of a green wall.
Yes.
Right?
Right? So
I don't have to water it either.
Exactly. Green walls, you guys have been doing green walls, right? We've been doing them forever. They're hard to maintain. The faux ones look really fake, really plasticky, or the moss just like it gets everywhere. It fades in the sunlight.
It can smell.
It can smell.
There's a fragrance to it.
Yeah. So tile version of the green wall. This is really unique because it's a mural. So it really looks like the variation of the graphic is really large scale. And it's put together like a mural, so you need someone who knows what they're doing. But this is coming to you from 41042. I'll flip it over so you guys can see. This was actually pretty hard to get. It took us like a month to get it. But it's a matte finish. It's super cool, and I think it's a great alternative to more of the plasticky stuff.
And you could also though blend this, right? This could be a backdrop of mural as you're describing, but then you could put plants and other different types of things to really, bring it alive.
Totally. We need real plants, like people, real plants all day long.
Real people, real plants. We got you.
So this is just our quick little offering today. We hope you enjoyed it. Please comment. We are happy to answer any questions.
Yes, and all of these materials you can find in the description in the description box. We're going to have links to all of the brands and any other information that you may seek. So thanks so much for tuning in, and we will see you next week on another edition of
Unboxing Flatlay.